Akakiiko ka Paalamenti ak'enjawulo akasiddwawo okunoonyereza ku mivuyo egiri mu kitavu ky'abakozi NSSF akakulirwa omubaka wa Mbarara South Mwine mpaka kasinkanye olukiiko olufuzi olw'ekitavu era ssente waabwe Dr. Peter Kimbowa ne banne basanze akaseera akazibu okwewozaako ku butitimbo bw'ensimbi bwe bafunanga omusaala. Kigayibwa nti omusaala gw'abatula akakiiko kano gwava ku nsimbi obukadde 7 buli mwezi ne gudda ku nsimbi obukadde 2 so nga bayebwa n'obujjanjabi obw'obwereere n'ab'omumaka gaabwe.
Chair, there were recent revisions that were made in the board remuneration terms, so I would not recall offhand. They were fairly recent.
The people getting those amounts are here.
I think there is nothing like 20 million or anything like that. The board gets a retainer monthly of 7 million, including taxes. That's what I know.
I want to confirm that it is not true that the board is getting 20 million. They are getting much less than that as retainer.
Are you getting medical for yourself, for the children, for the spouse?
Chair, yes, some board members do get medical benefits.
Akakiiko era kakunyizza abakungu bano ku nsimbi obuwumbi 6 obwasabibwa minisita w'ekikula ky'abantu Betty Amongi nga zino zaayinza kukozesebwa okusomesa bannansi ku nkola z'ekitavu empya kyokka nga n'abakungu babuulidde akakiiko nga minisita bw'atayita mitendera mituufu okusaba ensimbi ezo.
Of course not. We haven't approved the 6 billion. If I have to answer the question, that would be it. We haven't. We have not done so. Why? Because we don't have a work plan from management yet. We don't have the detailed activities. We don't have the resources yet to reallocate for this project.
Who wrote to the board? It's simple. Who wrote to the board?
The minister wrote as part of her approval of the budget, overall budget of the fund.
So she was requesting you to approve a 6 billion.
She was asking us to consider
the 6 billion.
Exactly. Actually, in the NSSF, what I see is every
It's not what you see. Want the law.
Oh.
It was not a request. It was not a requisition. It was an idea.
Abakungu balagiddwa banyonyole ne ku nsimbi ezaaduumulwa mu kuzimba ekizimbe kya Pension House e Nakasero nga zino zaava ku buwumbi 2 okutuuka ku buwumbi 421 kyokka nga abakungu bategeezezza nga naye batamanyi lwaki ensimbi zino zaaduumulwa okutuuka awo.
The procurement of the pension towers contract was done way before this board. Then 2, the increase from 200 billion to 400 billion or thereabout, I am unable to explain, and I'm sure the board is unable to explain how these variations came about because they were not there.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.